Put an end to snoring with this advice. Snoring may seem like a harmless noise that we hear when we're sleeping, but noises can be deceiving. Were you aware that snoring could be a clue to your overall health? That's right, snoring could be a signal to you about what's going on with your health. The tips below can give you a better idea of this. You may want to think of trying certain treatments specifically made for snoring. They are proven to be effective and may be the only option you have left. There are a wide range of treatments used for snoring, including certain throat sprays, nasal strips, and even oral strips. Snoring is common for people who sleep on their backs, however, it's hard to sleep on your side if your habit is to roll on your back. Stitch a tennis ball into the rear of your pajama shirt. When you roll onto your back, the nuisance will push you back to your side, and you'll stop snoring. To stop snoring, you should first look at your pillows. Many people fail to realize that proper support from pillows can impact whether you snore or not. Elevating the head can help keep your airway open to reduce and prevent snoring. This is a very simple and easy way to help snoring. Try to keep your head elevated when sleeping if you want to prevent snoring. Being in this position allows your muscles and airways to get in just the right amount of air, which lessens the chance that you will snore. Just prop some pillows behind your head or use a thick pillow. Try to avoid consuming alcohol right before bed. Alcohol does help you relax. The problem is drinking alcohol right before bed causes the muscles of your airway to relax too much. This over-relaxation causes snoring, which you may not notice. But, people around you will definitely be disturbed. Switching pillows may actually help eliminate snoring. There are certain pillows available that prevent you from rolling onto your back when you sleep. Sleeping on your back is the position that snoring occurs in most often. If you are unsure of which pillows are best, you can ask your doctor. As the intro stated, snoring may appear as a harmless noise made during slumber, but it could be your body's way of alerting you to the state of your overall health. The above tips can let you know about the causes of your snoring and what you can do to finally quiet the noise. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.